Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Here's a fun fact to kick things off. Did you know that women's hormones naturally shift every single week of the month, even if you're not on your period? Yep, your body is like a beautiful hormonal symphony, and how you start your day can actually help balance that rhythm. If you're new here, hi, I'm Soulful Balance, and I love sharing simple wellness tips to help you feel your best, naturally and holistically. Today, I'm walking you through a gentle but powerful morning routine that supports hormonal balance, perfect for women in their 20s, 30s, 40s, and beyond. 1. Wake up slowly and breathe. Instead of reaching for your phone the second you open your eyes, try taking a few deep breaths. This activates your parasympathetic nervous system, your rest and digest mode, which helps reduce cortisol, a stress hormone that can throw your whole hormonal system off. 2. Sunlight within 30 minutes of waking. Step outside or open your window and get some natural sunlight. Morning light tells your brain to produce serotonin, which boosts mood and also helps regulate melatonin for better sleep later. And guess what? Sleep is essential for hormonal balance. 3. Warm lemon water or herbal tea. Before you hit the coffee, start with something that supports your liver, like warm lemon water or a hormone-friendly tea like spearmint or ginger. Your liver helps detox excess hormones, especially estrogen, so supporting it first thing is a game changer. 4. Gentle movement, stretch or walk. You don't need an intense workout. A 10-minute walk or some light stretching can improve blood flow, reduce cortisol, and wake up your metabolism in a gentle way. Bonus points if you move outside and get that sunlight at the same time. 5. Eat a protein-rich breakfast. A high-protein breakfast keeps your blood sugar stable, which is key for keeping insulin and cortisol levels in check. Think eggs, Greek yogurt, oats with nuts, or a smoothie with protein powder. Balanced blood sugar equals balanced hormones. 6. Avoid sugar and caffeine first thing. I know, it's tempting, but loading up on sugar and caffeine on an empty stomach can spike your blood sugar and stress your adrenals. If you want coffee, have it after breakfast to protect your hormones. 7. Practice gratitude or journaling. Lastly, take just a few minutes to write down what you're grateful for or your intention for the day. Emotional balance is directly connected to your hormonal health. A peaceful mind supports a peaceful body. And there you have it. 7 simple steps you can weave into your morning to support your hormonal balance naturally. You don't have to do them all at once. Start with 1 or 2 and build from there. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you get more wellness tips straight to your feed. And let me know in the comments, what's one thing you'll try tomorrow morning? Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today, sending you balance, peace, and lots of good hormones. See you in the next one.